Right, so we're going to add a basic search form. First of all, quickly I'll just show you that I have changed the context page, sorry, the all items page to all say all contacts, and I've removed the title of the form itself. We can just quickly see that. So it's got the extra shortcode attribute in here, show form title equals false, and like I changed the title, and that came through on the front end. Okay, so if you do have a problem with this, with the navigation changing, that is nothing to do with Dataflex Link. That is all to do with the theme that you have, and you should look up what the theme suggests in order to change this. So we're going to add a new search so we can search on our contacts database. Let's start with adding a page, new page, and we'll call this search contacts. We don't have a search yet, so we will add that later when we've added the search, created the search. Publish. Let's have a look, view page. So the page is empty, we've just got a title of the page and it's added to our navigation. Again, this is to do with the theme, that's nothing to do with Dataflex Link. So we're going to go and create our search now. So let's just go to the dashboard, Dataflex Link, add new, and we'll start a new database, set up a new database or search. I'm going to choose a search, we'll just give it a title, search, contacts, database type is a search. We're going to search on our address book, so database to search, address book, results table, so we'll say these are your matching contacts. When there's no search results, nothing found which matches your search. Minimum score, we'll go through that in another tutorial. We're not going to display the entry date, so we'll leave that unchecked. We'll go through this in another tutorial. What do we want our results page, our results modal to say? We're going to say contact search results, and we create the search. Okay, you may wonder why this is database 4. It's because I've been doing a bit of testing and I deleted database 3. We've got our shortcode, we need to go back to our page, edit page. Let's go to our shortcode, add the shortcode in there, update, and now if we look at our page, we've got our controls but we've got nothing to search on. So what we're going to do is go back to our search. Let's hide that. So on the left here, these are fields which are in our database, and these are fields that we can search on. So we're going to search on the name. We'll say that is required. Name, and we'll say that that should be 3 different items here. We'll say that the match should be exactly the same, and we'll give that a weighting of 0. Again, we'll go through that in another tutorial. We'll go through restrict but in another tutorial, and thesaurus. So this is just a basic search. Okay, let's have a look at our page again, and we'll do a quick search. Let's find John if we can. There he is. Right, so you may wonder by looking at this database here, we have Google reCAPTCHA as set. The reason why it's not showing is because the application deems us safe enough because we are connected. I believe if we disconnect here, it will show the reCAPTCHA box, which we haven't added keys for, so it should. Let me just do that. I'll reconnect later. Confirm disconnection, and then we go that shows up there. But obviously we can remove that. But if we are connected, it's never going to show. But let's just remove that anyway. Okay. Right now, it's allowing us to search. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to change the access control so it does make us connect. So let's go back to our database and let's go to our access control. So database settings, access control is the last item, so we'll hide all of our settings. No, we won't. We will hide all of our sections and scroll down to access control, and for this search we're going to say that adding items is private, so that effectively means that our search will require connection. And if we refresh this page, we get asked to create a padlock. We can't use this until we are connected